Hi, welcome to Searchbox. Today's vlog is a part 2 video on Serengeti Wildlife Safari experience. Check out for our Kilimanjaro trekking experience in the link given below in the description box. Let's explore the endangered wildlife. The most awaited and excited part of our trip at Serengeti, Tanzania. Next day, by 6 in the morning, started to Serengeti from Kilimanjaro. The climate was cloudy and raining on and off. It was hardly 5 hours road travel of 235 kilometers from Arusha to Serengeti. We were accompanied by driver cum guide and a cook. Upon our request, we have been clubbed with another 3 travelers from Europe. This is Serengeti National Reserve Park. There were so many safari vehicles accompanied with us for entry approval into the National Reserve Park. With ups and downs inside the dense forest, as such there is no road at all, hence the driver made up his own path. There started a pouring rainfall, we couldn't see the path even. We were stuck in between the forest and got to see a vehicle drowned in the flood. We stopped there for more than 2 hours for the water to drain and the vehicle was finally rescued by forest officials. By 5 in the evening, crossed the flooded area with scary face. Such a jaw-dropping experience to see thousands of wild bees surrounding us as it was a migration time. On the way, there were giraffe and zebras roaming in and around, just took pictures and continued. Finally, reached the Serengeti camp. Again there was a heavy rain and this is the campsite where our tent was set up by ourselves. I was more scared as there is no light inside the tent and we just used phone torchlight. After our tent was set up, we were called for the dinner. Didn't expect such a spicy butter chicken gravy and a hot chicken soup in a shivering weather. After it, a real scary time started. We got into the tent and it was damn cold. We could see nothing inside the tent as it was very dark. The good thing was Vihan was very tired and slept once we got into the tent. By midnight, we heard some roaring lions beside our tent. We started the game drive and lucky enough to spot the big five. Herd of African elephants parade across our safari jeep. And now it's time for the lions. We could see all the wild animals in 4 to 5 feet distance. Our guides are quite knowledgeable and share their thrilling experience inside the forest. Here we go with deers, giraffes and zebras also. Each and every moment was thrilled and scary as we could see the wild animals in the nook and corner of the forest. Its hippos, which were aggressive and dangerous, were fighting with each other inside the water, peeping in and out with larger tusks and teeth. They looked scared and weird. Getting deeper inside the forest, we saw leopards climbing over the trees. We were not allowed to get down the safari vehicle as it was more dangerous. The last but not the least of Big Five is the big rhinoceros in front of us. Our game drive ended. It was almost 4 hours and headed back to Serengeti campsite. From Serengeti, we started to Korongoro. This is Korongoro Conservation Area and we just dropped down and took some pictures. Korongoro crater is a natural wonder of the world, meaning the black hole. It is the world's largest inactive unbroken volcanic crater. This is Korongoro campsite. We had a dinner and relaxed ourselves in the dinner area. Even a kitchen area is attached in this campsite. Vihan enjoyed his dinner and was playing in the dinner area. Next day, by 8 in the morning, we started our game drive. We took some pictures with zebras which were near our campsite. Only the ancient tribes called Maasai people were allowed to stay in this area. Those villages have no electricity, even they harvest their own fruits, vegetables, and have to travel more than 15 kilometers for water resource. And still, they seem to be happy and peaceful always. Their only profession was selling handmade jewelries. Lions were just wandering near a safari vehicle. We were more scared to see the lions that close. The beautiful African lions with long tusks towards a safari vehicle. The breathtaking view of Korongoro close to the clouds is really a treat for our eyes. Mine was very peaceful. We completed our game drive. It was really a over-thrilled experience. And numerous pink flamingos enjoying their life in the crater. On the way to Arusha, we just checked into African Galleria with 40 years reputation in African art and jewelry. African wooden art statues were more appealing with their own tradition and culture. That was my shopping time. There were Tanzanite gem, which is a famous stone in Africa and 1,000 times more rarer than diamonds. It is found in a mountain in Tanzania, and local value it more for their rituals. Tiresome days, but with more valuable memories, finally arrived at Arusha. Next video is on our chilling experience in Zanzibar, which is a white sand beach lagoon where we completed our vacation trip. If you like this video, don't forget to smash on the like button and subscribe to our channel search box. To get notified, click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.